Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Etsy order is not showing, it can be confusing whether you are a buyer looking for a purchase or a seller expecting a new order. In most cases, the order still exists but isn't visible due to account, filter, or payments issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the order not showing issue on Etsy in 2026 quickly and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, confirm payments was successful. So first, verify the order actually completed. So check payments confirmation email, bank or PayPal transaction, Etsy receipt email. So if payments failed, no order will appear. So pending payments may take time to process. Okay, you can also check the correct Etsy account. So many users accidentally log into the wrong account. So verify log off of Etsy and log back in using purchase email. Okay, so open purchases and reviews and orders appear under the correct accounts only. Okay, you can also check guest checkout orders. So if you check out or checked out as a guest, orders won't appear automatically. To link order, open Etsy confirmation email. Click view your order and create or sign into Etsy account and then claim the purchase. Okay, so order becomes visible afterward. You can also remove order filters. So filters may hide orders intentionally. So go to purchases and reviews, check filters or tabs, open orders, completed orders, and canceled orders. So, okay, select all orders after that. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.